Strongest taste, loudest drop, head is filled, the thought unlocked. Strongest taste, loudest drop, head is filled, the thought unlocked. Strongest taste, loudest drop, head is filled, the thought unlocked. Strongest taste, loudest drop, head is filled.
The pieces of your heart, let me peer inside. Let me in, where only your thoughts have been. Let me occupy your mind as you do mine.
You'd be 13, I'd be 35. Going to find a place for us to hide. Be together but alone as the need for it has grown. You'd be 13, I'd be 35. Going to find a place for us to hide. Be together but alone as the need for it has grown, yeah.
You love to fear, doubt, and distrust. You just threw away the key to your heart. Don't get burned, it makes it easier. That much more difficult for me to make you see.
Cave or a shed, a car or a bed, a hole in the ground or a burial mound, a bush or a tree or the egan sea where you do for me. Cave or a shed, a car or a bed, a hole in the ground or a burial mound, a bush or a tree or the egan sea where you do for me.
Love ain't fair, so there you are, my love.
Cha-cha, cha-cha, cha-cha. Cha-cha, cha-cha. Oh, I can't say that you look pretty. Turn my legs into spaghetti.
Your heart's a mess. You won't admit to it. It makes no sense, but I'm desperate to connect. You can't live like this.
For you, I found a lens in the bottom of a coal mine, just enough space for your hands in the inside. If you go, do let me know. You'd be 13, I'd be 35. Come to find a place for us to hide. A den or a desert, perhaps an egg square, a cellar, a wishing well, a war or a guarantee will do for me. For you, I found a cell on the top floor of a prison, just enough space for you to fit your feet in. If you go, do let me know. For you, I found a cell on the top floor of a prison, just enough space for you to fit your feet in. If you go, please let me know. Oh, I can't say that you look pretty. You turn my legs into spaghetti. You set my heart on fire.